Hey guys, what's going on? It's Sniper Kids, and today I'm gonna teach you how to stream your PS4 with OBS onto Twitch and YouTube. This is gonna be a full, in-depth tutorial, so you should definitely be sure to watch to the very end, and I'll teach you how to do everything you need to do. In order to do this, we will be using PlayStation Remote Play to get our PlayStation screen to our computer, as well as OBS Studio to stream it to whatever you want. You can use whatever program you want to stream it to whatever you want, but for this tutorial I'm just going to be using OBS Studio because it's the easiest to use and the easiest to get to know. Because we're using Remote Play and OBS, you will have to download two programs to your computer, unless you already have them, of course. First things first, we're going to want to hop on the PlayStation and head up to the settings to make sure you are all good to go to use the Remote Play. So once you get to the settings, you just want to scroll down until you find Remote Play Connection Settings and make sure that this is enabled. You have to see that check mark right next to it or it won't work. Right now it says I can't do it, but that's because I'm using Remote Play to record this, but you need to make sure that both of those boxes are checked for it to work correctly. Now we're going to want to jump onto our computer so we can download the Remote Play software. Now this website is super easy to get to. All you have to do is look up Remote Play PS4 on Google and it'll be the link right down here that's actually by PlayStation. So just click on this and it'll bring you to this website right here, and it'll give you some instructions on what you need to do it, but I'll be going over all of that right now. But you just want to keep scrolling down until you get to the Set Up Your PC or Mac for Remote Play. And this is the download link so you can use Remote Play. So you want to click this, it'll bring you to this website here, and then it'll give you the updates and what you need to do to set it up, which I'll be going over, and you either want to download it for Windows or Mac. I'm on Windows, so I'm going to download it for Windows. You can see it in the bottom left, and it's done downloading already, so I'm going to open it and allow it to download and set it up. So now we have to select the language, and there's a bunch of languages to choose from. Now we can set up the setup wizard so it'll run correctly. Gonna want to agree to everything here, and you can choose where you want it to save, but I'm gonna just have it as the default. And now you can see it's installing and will be good to go. Now just click finish and it's ready to use. If we open up Remote Play, we can see that it checks for an update, and then you'll be prompted with this screen right here. This is the screen you're looking for to know that it'll work. Now you're going to want to make sure your PlayStation and your computer are on the same Wi-Fi network for it to work properly. Now we're going to download OBS so we can stream, but if you don't want to do that, if you just want to play the PS4 on your computer, you can jump to this time right here. Now once you download it, you're just going to want to do the same thing. Pick your operating system, and then we got to do this setup wizard as well. So you got to agree to everything. You can select your download location, and you can pick what you want to download, but I would just keep it as the default so that everything works properly. And then it will download and your OBS will be ready to go. Now that OBS has opened up, if you're unfamiliar with it, this is the setup right here, and these scenes are only here because it saved my settings from before I recorded the video, so you won't have any of these settings here, so you're gonna have to create a whole new scene, and I'll teach you how to do that right now. So first you're gonna want to make sure you have Remote Play open. You don't have to connect to the PlayStation yet, you just want to make sure that it's open. If you do connect to your PlayStation, you can see your screen will pop up here on your computer. Now my quality is going to be a little bit worse than your guys's, but that's just because my internet is terrible, and if you have a PS4 Pro, it'll record an even better quality. If we go back onto OBS, we're going to want to set up a scene first. We can do this by clicking the plus in the bottom left, and now we're going to need to add a source so we can see it on the actual screen. So we're going to click the plus. And some things you can do are display capture, but that'll capture everything on your screen, including this bottom thing, which I don't want. So I'm going to choose window capture down here. You can just click that, and then you can name it whatever you want. So I'll just name it PS4 for now so that it's easy to remember, and click OK. Now you're going to select the actual window that you want it to record, so we're just going to select the one that says share play right here. So select that, and then you can see the PS4 is on the screen. That's good, that's what you want. Now you can choose if you want to see your cursor or not, that doesn't really matter. then click OK, and now you can see your sources here. You can turn it on and off by just clicking the eye, and you can make it fit the whole screen by just dragging out the corner. Now if you're wanting to actually stream, you're gonna have to go to the settings and get your stream key. This is right here. It's different if you want to stream to Twitch or YouTube, and I actually will make a tutorial in the future about how to stream to both at the same time. But to get your stream key, you're gonna want to hop onto Twitch and sign in, and click on your name in the top right screen, and then you're gonna want to go down to dashboard. You should also follow my Twitch, by the way. Go down to dashboard, and then go all the way to the left and scroll down to my channel. And then right there you can see your private stream key. Now you don't want to show this to anyone because then they can stream whatever they want on your channel, but you can simply just click the copy button here and it'll copy it. And now if we just head back to OBS, we can just go back to our settings to where the stream key is. And then we can select Twitch if it's not already selected, and then you can just right click and click paste, and now your stream key is ready to go and you're ready to finally stream. Now if you have a microphone you want to set up, we'll do that right now. If not, skip to this time down below. But you're going to want to go to settings, audio, and then you can see right here the input device. This will be on default. And then just change this to whatever microphone you're using. I'm using the Yeti, so I'm going to select that right now. And then you can click apply, and you can also change the push to mute and push to talk buttons and all that and the delay. So you can actually customize it quite a bit, but once you're done just click OK. Now if we go down here to the microphone volume and we adjust this, we can see that the microphone is working just fine, and you can adjust how loud or how quiet you want it to be here. So you can just move it up if you want it to be louder or move it down if you want it to be quieter. But now we have the mic set up and we're good to start streaming. To actually start streaming, just click the start streaming button and it'll stream to whatever platform you have already set up in the settings. Now if we just update the website real quick, we can see that we are live with our PlayStation home screen right there. You can see that it's on my channel and it's live right now, and that's exactly what we're seeing on our OBS. Now the cool thing about streaming with OBS is you can have these overlays, which I have right here, and you can turn the visibility on and off, and I'll teach you how to do that in a later tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked this video, then you should be sure to definitely leave a like and subscribe if you want to for more content like this, or you could also check out some of my other videos. Oh,